Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today let us see the preparation of sprouts with the sprout maker and 7 different recipes with sprouts. Today video will be very interesting. Don't miss it any part of it. In the description box I have given the links for other languages. Usually we can use any grains for sprouting. Today I have used 4 different grains. The energy level of grains will increases once it germinates. If you want to reduce your weight in a healthy way, you must have sprouts in your daily diet. Morning is the best time to have sprouts because the whole day you can work with more energy. I personally experienced this. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. I will reply for that. Thank you for your support by subscribing Lifestyle Lakshmi. Now let us see the preparation of sprouts and the recipes. Thank you all.
Now let us see the process of sprout making. I am adding green gram, horse gram, chenna and groundnut in a bowl. Clean it 2-3 times with water, then soak it for 7 to 8 hours. Now drain it out the water. Now pour water in the bottom cup of the sprout maker. Keep the other 2 bowls on that and put the grains in the bowls. Close it with the lid. Leave it for 36 hours minimum. After 36 hours, grains would have germinated. Wow! The sprouts have come out so well. See how nicely it sprouted. Wow! Now keep it in an airtight box and you can store this in the fridge for a week. Now let us see the 7 different recipes. Add oil. Now do the topping with onion jeera fry, and fold the dosa, and now ready to eat. Yummy dosa is ready. Now simply sprouts. It is very simple to prepare. In no time you can prepare this. Mix all the ingredients. That's all. Simply yummy sprout is ready. Now veggie sprouts. In a bowl, add sprouts, cabbage, carrot, paneer, salt, chili powder, green chutney and mayonnaise. Mix well. That's it. Veggie sprout is ready now. Now the time for fruity sprouts. Mix all the ingredients one by one. Sprouts, sabja seeds, apple, butterfruit, try it at home and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you all. Please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications.